JMU School of Nursing is a fabulous learning environment.
I would very much recommend this program.
The faculty are amazing. It is completely immersed in community and global initiatives.
I love JMU. At James Madison University, the School of Nursing mission is to engage students, faculty, and communities through nursing programs, innovative nursing programs, research and scholarship, and practice. We focus on engagement, engaged learning practices that are high impact, civic engagement, global engagement, and community engagement. And this affords students a really terrific opportunity to get a well-rounded experience.
We're committed to our community with research as well as our engagement in learning to make a change in the world. Our students think big, think broadly, and engage with their patients as well as the community to be the best nurse they can be.
Simulation is the prototype for engaged learning, so we provide them with simulation experiences that challenge them to perform actions and skills and critical thinking that would reflect what they would experience in the real world.
One of the most important strategies that we use to engage our students is the use of standardized patients. That way the students are actually performing an exam on a live model to help them with their skills that they'll need for their clinical practicums.
Nursing really at its heart is a practice discipline, so clinical is all about engaging in practice. And this is really at the heart of what we do in nursing school. We enjoy really wonderful partnerships with our clinical agencies. Our students see how nurses serve as leaders, how they are patient advocates, and how they really engage in professional practice in a variety of different organizations.
In clinical, as much of a benefit as it is to me, it's also a great ability to give back to the community. You're going to local hospitals, working with local people that live here, and you're doing everything you can to the best of your ability to give back into nursing, back to health.
We have a clinical site rotation of students from JMU Nursing School, and we collaborate together to make sure that the students get a quality education. The JMU graduate is appealing because of the high degree of education that they are receiving.
The Suitcase Clinic is a healthcare for the homeless initiative, and it was started by the School of Nursing about 5 years ago. The undergraduate students do many screening projects, health education projects, help with the actual clinic setting. Our nurse practitioner students work with the providers and are very much in a precepted type practicum. Our DNP students get involved more at the systems level where they're looking at the cost effectiveness of the Suitcase Clinic model.
The nursing school at James Madison University is really interested in increasing our engagement with the global nursing community. I particularly am involved with a program that's been going to Tarragona, Spain. We've gone twice over the last 2 years, but we also have a program going to Malta this summer, Tanzania, we've gone to Kenya, and we go to Costa Rica.
While we were in Tarragona, we got to live with host families, and we worked in the hospital for 2 of those 3 weeks, and the other week we were doing classes. It was honestly one of the most amazing experiences I've had here at JMU.
Civic engagement is characterized at James Madison University as engaging students in democracy and civic involvement for the greater good and really becoming active citizens. So the School of Nursing really embraces that.
As part of the DNP program, I had the opportunity to spend an immersive health policy week in Washington, D.C. One of our essentials is dealing with health policy. I was actually assigned to the office of Senator Kane. This was one of the most valuable opportunities I had during my DNP experience here at JMU.
When students first enter the program, it changes their worldview.